Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the last 7 days have been incredible. Bitcoin was able to climb back to 94,000 and now majority of the indicators are flashing green, with the sentiments also turning very strongly bullish. The reason for this is there is a lot of anticipation for the interest rate cuts that might be happening on the 7th of May, which is just about a week away, and that's obviously going to be pushing up the market even more. And there are a lot of banks anticipating that the second quarter of this year Bitcoin might be reaching its all-time high. Now with this, you obviously want to invest in a project that's going to make you a lot of money. At the end of the day, before I show you the project, I just want to say crypto has a lot of risk involved with it. So what I'm about to say is not financial advice. Make sure you guys do your own research and only use money that you're willing to lose. Now the project which I'm talking about is actually called BlockDAG. Now this token is currently in a pre-sale stage, and they just made the announcement a couple of hours ago talking about how they are going to be launching in under 2 weeks. And you can see the countdown is starting, and at the same time, once the countdown comes to an end, the pre-sale will also end. But what's the craziest part is once the pre-sale ends, they are going to be having an exchange launch. Why? Because just to give you an idea, the pre-sale has raised over $220 million. Groundbreaking crypto pre-sale. This is one of the largest pre-sales that I've seen in my time, so that should give you a little bit of perspective. At the same time, if you do get into the referral code, you can actually get 25% D or B bag on depending on what you guys get. So if you get a friend to actually buy some of the BlockDAG, you will notice that the amount they buy, 25% of that will be rewarded to you, and your friend is not going to miss out on anything, as they will be receiving a 5% as well. If you do want to buy it, you can actually buy it through so many different ways. You can buy it through Visa, Master, Google Pay, Apple Pay, USDT, Ethereum. There is a lot of options. At the same time, X10 miner skyrockets past 1 million users. So there is a lot of miners which are active currently. They have completed their audit, so you can see they're fortifying blockchain security at every layer. They completed the internal audit, the external audit 1, and now they're just working on external audit 2, which will be from very well-known companies, which I'm very certain a lot of you guys must have heard of, the last one being Certec. Now, the referral program is a big deal, because if you want to get your own, get the X10 miner app, you can get it on your Apple device or your Android device, and from there, if you just start using it, you guys will be able to earn a little bit of money. That's all I'm gonna say, because this is a sort of a miner. And by merging Bitcoin security and decentralization with the speed and scalability, DAG technology, BlockDAG, sets a new standard for the blockchain network. Don't miss this chance of buying this. Get involved with the biggest crypto ICO sale and stay ahead of innovation blockchain game. Watch as you contribute grows rapidly to new high. Be at the forefront of the most advanced decentralized blockchain. Next big leap. Now, what's a big deal about this? Now, just so you know, the amount of money that they have raised, when they do go live, there will be a lot of eyeballs that will be paying attention to this. And you can see these are the core attributes, which is the speed, decentralization, secure, compatible, and at the same time innovation fee structure, cost-effective transactions tailored to the user's needs, strengthened by our professionals. Now you can see the CEO. You can go ahead and look at everything that you want to know about this person. They have some partners which are very well known, like some teams as well. And if you want to look at the way they have set up the tokenomics, the supply is going to be close to 150 billion, where 50% goes to the miners, so that's why you should get in. 33% goes to the pre-sale, 19 billion or goes to the community, 3% to liquidity, and 1% to the team. On the other end, this is pretty much like all of their partners powered by, and you can see that there are some very big names there, and you can see that they are obviously getting bigger and bigger as the day goes past. Telegram, they have close to 100, or actually Telegram, they have close to 73,000 members, and on Twitter, they have close to 105,000 followers. And you can see the sort of reach that they're receiving, like close to 100,000 views on this post that was posted very recently. And you can see that this post, which was only posted 5 hours ago, talking about how the exchange launch announcement, so once the pre-sale comes to an end, it's going to be launching on an exchange, has close to 10,000 views in under 5 hours. So they definitely have a very strong reach. Overall, They do have a lot of media partners as well. You can see Bloomberg, Yahoo, and join the fastest growing community. And at the same time, you will be receiving the latest updates very soon. So overall, this token has a very strong team behind it. There is much more to do. If you do want to buy it, just click on buy now. You just simply connect your wallet, and from there you just need to simply decide how much you would like to put to BlockDAG and then buy it, and it will be added into your wallet. Other than that, thank you for watching. At the end of the day, there is still risk involved, so make sure you guys do your own research. This is not financial advice. You simply go down if you want to buy it for yourself. The link will be in the description, and I will see you soon.